Kasi if I'm a fashion photographer, or I take pictures of actors and actresses for 35 years, yes, mukha ako nasa children's party ngayon, so pasensya na ho kayo. My, my portion here with you guys is to share with you why some hello, party line. Okay. Why some people look better on cameras, in front of the camera, while some people don't. And I will give you tips kung paano magkaroon ng magandang selfie. Because being the endorser or ambassador of Canon, and with the new camera, para ako nagbebenta, ma'am, sir, ito po ang bago nating camera, M10. Okay. Why is it for selfies? I'll show you. The screen actually flips in front of the lens, and what happens is you can take your selfie. Kasama kayo, in case ninyo alam. And there. And this is Wi-Fi, di ba? And I can upload it already wherever I want. So Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Those are my accounts. So I don't know if you guys go beyond that. Wait, before I continue, anybody who doesn't understand Tagalog? Because
oh, yan na.
you understand? Me understand. Ang hirap sundan ni Michelangelo kasi taas ng energy. Anyway, so going back. Tanggalin na natin yung slide na asiwa ako bigla. Pwede tanggalin, parang kausap ko sarili ko. Can you move to at least a product? Thank you, I love you. Anyway, so, just a brief history sa mga bagets na hindi nakakilala sa akin. I've been shooting actors, actresses, talents, celebrities, models for 35 years. How did I get into the business? This is a good example of cyberbullying during my time. Nung nag-start ako, my name was Raymond Isaac at sinabi nila that my name was fake. Isaac, fake yan kasi parang stage name. But I was born Raymond Isaac. So, every time that they see me, akala nila nagpapanggap po ako. And in the first 5 years that I was a photographer, nobody believed what I was doing. So they put me down. And when they put me down, sabi ko, kung ayaw niyo sa akin, ayaw ko rin sa inyo. I left for a vacation sa States. And in New York, I got a break and I won international award lang po na fashion and beauty for 5 years lang naman eh. So, joke lang yun. No, that's reality. But that doesn't matter. What I'm trying to say is I love the advocacy that you guys are doing, which is hard over hate. And take advantage of your youth, take advantage of the position where you're in. And then that's what we are here for. To actually pass on what we've learned and then continue the knowledge. Hindi swampang kasi kung may natutunan na po kami tapos hindi namin ipapasa sa inyo. So, with pakilabas. Do not be bothered by the people behind me. Props po sila. Sila po ang aking backup dancers. Sila po ay magsiset up ng ilaw. Enter dancers. Kala nyo kakanta. Okay, the most interesting topic that people will ask me is, what is the best camera if you're starting to have, starting with the hobby of photography or be a serious photographer? Not because I am an ambassador of Canon, but I will always tell you it's Canon because it is the one that is not painful for the pocket. Number one, it's available in the Philippines that you don't have to go out of the country para lang kumuha ng, lenses or camera bodies. It's always available here. And the best part is that servicing any camera is always in the Philippines. Hindi na tayo babalik pa sa Hong Kong, Singapore, o kung saan yung binili. So, save your money, don't buy abroad, buy here. Trust me, I've been with them for the longest time. Wala ho akong complaint. Second, you want to take selfies. And here are my tips of what selfies are. Mga kapatid, can I borrow the camera again? Or is the M10? Sorry. Do you notice that pag nagsiselfie ang mga ibang tao ganito? I'm sorry, you will forgive me, it's heavy. May microphone kasi hawak. Kunyari may telepono lang ako, okay? And then, most of the girls will do selfie. Correct me if I'm wrong, tatalikod po sila, lalagay yung camera doon, at gaganon sila. Kung gusto nyo magpakuha ng picture, humarap kayo sa camera. Huwag kayong tumalikod. Why are the girls doing that? I will explain why. Bakit hindi nyo maintindihan? Do you remember why you guys do that? Okay. And, the reason why girls love doing that, nakatalikod tapos gaganon, is because nauso during the red carpet sa New York, sa LA, is that pag may gown yung babae, mahaba yung gown. So kakalad ka rin nila yung gown. And then when the photographers will ask them, kunyari, what's your name? Tina. Tina, correct? Tina, can I have a picture? So tatalikod lang siya. Kasi nahila na yung gown, maganda na yung hatak ng gown, and then over the shoulder shot, which will turn your body into a perfect hourglass figure. Pag kayo ay artista, pag nasa red carpet kayo, pero pag nasa kalye ko kayo at nasa Divisoria kayo, gumanong kayo, at tumalikod kayo, ang reaction po ng mga tao is, bakit ka tumatalikod sa camera kung gusto mo magpakuha ng picture? Understand? Dito tuloy ang nangyayari yung cyberbullying. Sa mga bagets na hindi nakakaintindi, I am sorry but I will throw this at you. Maganda siya kasi kala niyo uso. Pero sa mga taong alam namin kung saan galing, nagsa-start tuloy yung cyberbullying. Sasabihin namin, ay, ang syusyo nga naman mga jugets ngayon. Hindi nila alam bakit tumatalikod sila. That's one reason. So before you take pictures of yourself, intindihin niyo bakit yung ginagawa. Number 2, I will give you a tip. Pag gusto niyong gayahin ang mga foreign artists, mga artista kayo, so you will say, bakit ang mga artista natin sa Amerika ang gaganda ng mga pictures? These are the things that I will teach you because these are the things I've learned from them. So sa inyo ko i-share. Bakit? Mahal yung binayad ko doon para mag-aral. Kayo, wala kayong opportunity for time and, money to actually go there and learn. So what I will do is I will show you different, pakilabas pa yung ibang ilaw na naka-boom please. I will show you how to pose for the camera, usually what I train sa mga artista. Number 1, tayo ay Asian people, mostly, or a mix, except for Martin, you, and there's another girl from behind from Makeup Plus yata. I'm sorry, you're Caroline? Sorry? Caroline, I like the accent. Where are you from? You're from here? I'm from Jersey! Yeah, no, I was kidding. Alright, yun lang alam kong line sa English, kung na kayo maingay. And except for you, you have a beautiful face also. Alright, chika lang yun, kayo talaga naniniwala. Do this to your hands, alright? And I will tell you why. Do this to your hand, this is no joke, and then put it in your face. Go guys, kaya niya. After you get the impression of your face, nakadikit yan ha, ilabas nyo. Then look at it sideways. Fingers together, Martin, fingers together, kaya mo yan. Yeah, put it in your face. Okay, ganyan. For people who have nice Caucasian features, your nose has a deeper imprint. Ibig sabihin po, mas malalim ang mga cheekbones, nose ridges, and chin. So if you're Caucasian, your hand will be like this. Okay. If you're Asian, yan po, your face is flat. Okay, let us not pretend. Sino po ang flat na face dyan? I'm not gonna even pretend. Yan po, that's me. And the worst part about Asian is that our diet is salt-based. Mahilig tayo sa asin, which means we become bloated. So girls, you will admit, in the morning, do you like to have your pictures taken? You do?